Hey guys, it's Ajicat back here with a brand new video for you today on my channel. I'm glad to be back. I know I haven't been posting as much as I'd like to be. I've been posting at least once a week. I know I want to post more. I've just been so busy the past couple weeks. It's been stressful to try and get videos edited and uploaded, and my sort of thinking behind it is that I should create something that's good. I don't want to create something that's rushed and that doesn't look professional and doesn't look as good as work as I can do. So I hope you understand that I'm, not uploading as much as I want to, but believe me, as soon as I get the opportunity to upload more, I absolutely will be. In today's video, we are going to do another unboxing video because I feel like I need to make up for, not doing one in like a long time, or like not doing a fair amount of them in a long time. I did one previously, I did post one previously, I'll leave a card if you guys are interested in checking out that video. We're here to check out an alternative to buying razors because, as you guys know, razors are incredibly expensive. Like literally, let's just take a quick trip to the store and just see how expensive these razors are. Alright, so I'm in my local Walmart here. I just want to quickly show you something real quick. Look at that. $12.97. 2 cartridges. 2. That's a max of 6 shaves, probably, I would say. I don't know. Not really too sure how many shaves you get out of that. Maybe 6, 7, I don't know. But, you're gonna have to buy one of those cartridges. You've already paid for 1/3 of the Remington razor off of Amazon if you buy that, so you might as well just buy the Remington razor. That makes more sense because then you'll get unlimited shaves for 5 years, which is $35 opposed to spending like, I don't know, $450 over 5 years. So yeah, it's much better value for money, that's for sure, and better for the environment too. So yeah, let's hop back to the filming area. So as you can see, they're pretty expensive. This is an alternative. I'm glad that Remington came out with this. I think it's a really good idea. I do shave a little bit, not too much though, because I don't grow facial hair as much as everybody else does. Like, it takes me a bit longer. Maybe because I have blonde hair and it's difficult to see facial hair for me, so I don't know. Facial hair is kind of, not like something that I'm really, I can't grow a lot of it, so something like this is definitely much better than doing razors because razors are so expensive, it's not even funny. Let's crack open this box and see what comes with it. I needed a knife this whole time and I freaking forgot. You'd think by now I'd have the necessary things to, unbox something, but apparently, after doing several unboxing videos, I still haven't figured out that I need a knife to do this, so. Okay, so, as you can see here, I'm going to show you what's on the packaging. So it says you can use it to trim, you can use it to shape and shave. So, and it says never replace blades. It says it can run up to 60 minutes. I mean, if you're looking to shave like 10 different people, then yeah, it goes for 60 minutes. 100% waterproof. Comes with 3 different blades. It comes with a 1mm, a 2mm, a 4mm, and a 6mm, which is really good if you want to get that close like shave cut, or like if you want to have a bit of stubble, then you can do that. Comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Remington is very impressive. They're doing their customers right. And it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you guys are not happy with it, you can send it back and get your money back. But honestly, this was, I think, $40 on Amazon, so, that's like an equal price of like 1 pack of razors. Like a 5-pack of razors probably costs like 28, 20, 30 bucks, I don't know. As you can see here, I've attempted to open the packaging. As you can see on the front here, opening this up, you can see that you've got your instructions and stuff in the back here. In the front, you've got your Remington razor, obviously, or like your trimmer, whatever you want to call it. You've got your standard 6mm blade here. You've also got your other blades down in here as well. I'll go through that in greater detail. Let's just take a look at this. I applaud Remington for doing something like this, but like, really, do we have to be this aggressive with the packaging? We have to put this much tape on it. First impressions, it's actually quite small. It's got your charge port at the bottom here. It's very compact to hold in the hand, so that's really good. And then you've got your blades here, which you can clip on. So you clip on your number 2. I can actually get the damn blade on. Okay, so you've got that blade on there as well, and you just keep clipping them off and then changing them off as you go. Got your charging cable here. You don't unfortunately have a power brick to go with it, but honestly, everything has USBs now, like your laptop, and basically any charging brick you have in your house you can use, so it's really not a big deal. Wow, I really applaud them for putting it in here very well. Really do. That's the 6mm. If you want to shave other things, I'm not going to tell you what you can shave. Totally up to you. Why am I even saying this? You could shave legs if you've got like Bigfoot legs, like if you've got like so much hair on your legs that it's disgusting and you want to get rid of some of that, then yeah, absolutely, you could probably use this for legs too. All seriousness, that this was $41 and a pack of razors at Walmart costs just roughly under $35. If you use this, you know, more than 7-8 times, is paid for itself. We'll be doing an updated review of this a couple weeks down the line or whatever, whenever I feel like, you know, giving this a good try out and stuff like this. I basically just buy these products and just review them, so. It was not sponsored by Remington, so please don't hate on me saying that I'm a sellout or I'm a shitty YouTuber and I just sell out all the time I get to. Trust me, I haven't even got one single sponsorship yet. I know, I am very upset. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to click like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell beside the subscribe button so you get notified when I post a new video, because that's the only way nowadays you get notified when I post new videos. So make sure you hit that bell, it's super duper important. And I will see you guys in my next video. I go on vacation in less than 3 weeks. I am so excited. Like honestly, I am ready. Like I am ready to leave. I've got my freaking suitcase already packed. Like I am just ready to go. But I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe because the vlogs are coming very, very soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye guys.